Hello, welcome to Order of Operations with Integers and Exponents. This is part 2 of our Integers and Exponents videos. We're going to jump right in and look at example 1. It says to evaluate the opposite of negative 2 cubed minus 3 squared plus 5 times 5. Now, I know this all looks really crazy, but it's not. We just have to follow our order of operations. Okay, our order of operations is, as we know and we've talked about, is parentheses. So parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, add, and subtract. So if we follow these rules and just work from inside out, we'll be great. So first I need to go through and say parentheses. Do I have parentheses? Yep. Alright, so let's look inside the parentheses. I need to perform my exponent in here first. So it could be because inside I have exponent and subtraction, and you do the exponent first. So I know that negative 2 cubed is negative 8. So I'll rewrite this as the opposite of negative 8 minus 3 squared plus 5 times 5. Negative 8 minus 3 is negative 11. Squared. And then I can go ahead and do the multiplication on the outside because it's not affected, so it's 25. So now I have the opposite of 11 squared. So I have the opposite. 11 squared is 121 plus 25. So I have negative 121 plus 25. Different signs, so I need to subtract these now. 121 minus 25. 96, and it's going to be negative. Alright, so we just need to follow our order of operations and just take it step by step, and it's not as bad and complicated as it looks. Now this one looks a little tricky, but we're going to work the top and the bottom differently. And then we'll save the division for last. So we're going to save division for last here. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to have 1 minus negative 2 cubed minus 1. So I've got exponents, subtraction, and then down here I've got parentheses and an exponent. So I'm going to hit my exponent first, so I'll have 1 minus negative 2 cubed is negative 8 minus 1. And then down here I have 1 minus 3 is negative 2 cubed, so we'll just rewrite this as negative 2 cubed. Okay, so now I can do, it'd be 1 minus negative 8 minus 1. Negative 2 cubed is negative 8. I'm going to apply my addition rule here, so I have 1 plus 8, and then I have that minus 1, so plus negative 1. Okay, so 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 plus negative 1 is 9 minus 1, so this is going to equal 8 over negative 8. 8 divided by negative 8 is negative 1. So just follow your order of operations and you'll be golden. Let's look at a couple more examples. We're going to try A on our own, and you'll be A together, and I'll let you guys do B and C on your own. For letter A, I've got parentheses. We'll even write them out. We have parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. Alright, so in my parentheses, I've got 1 minus 3, or 1 minus 3 squared. So 3 squared is 9, so it's 1 minus 9. Squared plus 4 times negative 5. Well, inside these parentheses I have 1 minus 9, which is negative 8. squared plus 4 times negative 5. 8 squared is 64. Excuse me, negative 8 squared is 64. Plus, now I can do my multiplication. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. 64 plus negative 20 is the different sign, so I need to do 64 minus 20, which equals 44. So, again, please follow your order of operations all the way down. And it's not as bad as it looks. Over here, let's make sure we do our division last. Okay, do the division last. I'll even make that note for you. Division last. Work the top and the bottom separately. Alright, B and C, good luck.